And welcome to break 1532 for the 2016-17 Leaf Hockey Pre-Production Proof. I want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Sunday, February 23rd, 2020. It's 11 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 p.m. Central Time, and 8 p.m. Pacific Time. Austin, you have 18 spots. Brandon, 2. David, 10. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine, whoa, there we go, 7 times, Austin on top, Dave on the bottom, to determine your teams for the break. 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Austin on top, David on the bottom. Austin, you have the Ducks, David Coyotes, Austin Bruins, David Sabres, Brandon Flames, Austin Hurricanes, Blackhawks, Avalanche, Blue Jackets, Stars, Red Wings, David Oilers, Panthers, Austin Kings, David Wild, Brandon Canadiens, Austin Predators, Devils, Islanders, Rangers, David Senators, Austin Flyers, Austin Penguins, Blues, David Sharks, Lightning, Austin Leafs, Canucks, David Capitals, and the Winnipeg Jets. Nice. Yep. They are in there. There's some nice stuff in there. And we have Prismatic Red, pre-production proof, Adam Ruzicka, 1 of 1. I think he pulled his blue a couple weeks ago. This is red, Prismatic Red, Adam Ruzicka, 1 of 1. Let's see who's going to get Adam. Here's the back. This is going to go to Calgary. Calgary is going to Brandon. Congrats, Brandon, on the Calgary Flames. Adam Ruzicka, Prismatic Red, 1 of 1. For break 1532 in the 2016-17 Leaf Hockey Pre-Production Proof. And thanks, everybody, for getting in the break. And all of you watching, we appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check us out on eBay, and please leave us feedback on eBay and our social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then right after that, our autograph hockey puck is coming up next. Thanks.